Hello learners, welcome to another session of GE210 SC221. So today we will be discussing on NDDB. So in the earlier classes we have discussed on the marketing institutions or organizations which are dealing with agriculture produce marketing. So today we will be discussing on NDDB, that is National Dairy Development Board. NDDB stands for National Dairy Development Board and was established in the year 1965, and the headquarters is in Anand, Gujarat. Okay, and the present chairman is Varsha Joshi. Okay, so we'll see. NDDB is a society, that is a cooperative society. It's a upright cooperative society for all the dairy cooperatives working in the state-wise, and this coordinates all the state-wise dairy marketing societies, okay, milk marketing societies. So NDDB is a society established in the year 1965 by late Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri under the Societies Act of 1960. And NDDB programs and what NDDB does is it programs and activities seeks to strengthen the farmer cooperatives and also to support national policies that are favorable for the growth of such institutions. Okay, and fundamental to NDDB is that efforts are cooperative principles and cooperative strategies. So what NDDB follows is they follow the cooperative principles and cooperative strategies. NDDB stands for the nodal agency or the apex agency at the national level to manage the marketing, procurement, processing of all aspects related to milk and milk related products. Okay. So about NDDB, the National Dairy Development Board creation is rooted in the conviction that our national socio-economic progress lies largely on the development in the rural areas, and the rural area the people depends, most of the population depends on agriculture and allied activities for their daily income. So among them, just like agriculture, the allied activities, the livestock production, the cattle rearing is also adding income sources. So it is also an income sources. That's the reason by which NDDB is working at the national level. The dairy board was created to promote, finance and support producer on honor and control organization. So it was developed, the body is created to promote finance and support, like financial support to the producer or the owner, and also to control the other organizations at the state and district level. NDDB's programs and activities seeks to strengthen the farmers owned institution. The farmer owned institutions are the dairy societies or the cooperative societies. Okay, the fundamental to the, like, what is more important to NDDB is its effort is always cooperatives in nature, which we have understood. And NDDB focus to transform India's rural economy by making dairying a viable and profitable economic activity for millions of milk producers while addressing the country's need for self-sufficiency in milk production. As you know, India stands first position in the milk production. NDDB has been reaching out to the dairy farmers by implementing other income generating innovative activities and offering them sustainable livelihood. It does not only focus, it is not limiting the activities only on milking, but also it is also dealing with production and processing of dairy, milk and milk products, the processing of the milk to cheese, butter, ice creams, paneer, all the lassi and all those things, all other consumable forms. It is transforming the raw product, the raw material, that is a milk, to the other processable or consumable way, so that this there will be a sustainable livelihood. At the same time, the income generation may also increases. What are the major objectives of NDDB? The first objective is to plan, promote and organize program for the purpose of development of dairy and other agriculture based allied industries. Second is to adopt and encourage cooperative strategy in more effective manner on the national wise basis. Next objective is to finance, to give financial support to the cooperative federations and cooperative enterprises, that is a state district level cooperative societies. Also to impart technical knowledges. It also aims or other objectives include to facilitate the research and promotional activities in the field of dairy. Next is to involve designing, planning, promoting, developing and setting up of dairy industries. As we know earlier, we didn't had a high tech